Chapter 7. Our Festivals. Festivals are times of fun and joy. People wear new dresses, greet each other, and enjoy special dishes. We celebrate many festivals. Some of them are religious festivals and some are national festivals. Religious festivals. We celebrate religious festivals with our family and friends. Let us study about some of our religious festivals. Dashehra. Dashehra is celebrated in the month of October or November. It marks the victory of good over evil. This festival lasts for 10 days. People recall the story of Lord Rama's life in Ram Leela for 9 nights. On the 10th day, effigies of Ravana, Kumbhakarna and Meghnada are burnt. Dashehra is also called Vijayadashami. Teachers, please. Make the child aware of the unity in the midst of diversity aspect of our culture. Ask him or her about the festival he or she celebrates. Inculcate in the children a sense of respect for all festivals. Diwali. Diwali comes 20 days after Dashehra. It is celebrated in honor of Lord Rama's return to Ayodhya after 14 years in exile. People decorate their houses and shops. They light up candles and diyas at night. Everywhere there is a flood of light. That is why Diwali is called the Festival of Lights. At night, people worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. Children burst crackers. Eid. Eid, also called Eid ul Fitr, is celebrated after the holy month of Ramzan. Ramzan is month of fasting. On Eid, people wear new dresses. They go to the mosque to offer prayers, namaz. They greet and wish each other with Eid Mubarak. A special sweet dish called sevaiya is prepared on this day. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on the 25th December every year. It is the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. People decorate their houses with colorful Christmas trees. They go to the church at midnight to offer special prayers. Christmas plum cakes are made in all the houses. Children believe that Santa Claus comes at night and brings gifts for them. Guru Parv. The birthdays of 10th Gurus of Sikhs are celebrated as Guru Parv. On the eve of Guru Parv, the Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of Sikhs, is taken out in the big procession. In the morning of Guru Parv, people go to the Gurudwara. They offer prayers and eat from a common kitchen called Langar. Durga Puja. Durga Puja is mainly celebrated in West Bengal. It is a 10 days festival. The idols of goddess Durga are set up in pandals for 9 days. On the 10th day, the idols are taken out in big processions. They are then immersed in the holy rivers. Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is a popular festival of Maharashtra. People worship Lord Ganesha for a week. Huge idol of Lord Ganesha is set up in every locality. The idols are taken out in big processions. They are then immersed in holy rivers. Holi. Holi comes in the month of February or March. On Holi, people play with colors. They throw colors and gulal on one another. Children use pichkaris to spray colored water. They sing and dance. Holi is called the Festival of Colors. Baisakhi. Baisakhi is celebrated in Punjab. It comes in the month of April. People sing and dance with the beats of drums. Baisakhi is famous for Bhangra dance. Pongal. Pongal is the main festival of Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated for 3 days. On the first day, called Bhogi Pongal, the god of rain is worshipped. On the second day, called Surya Pongal, the sun god is worshipped. On the third day, called Mattu Pongal, the mother cow is worshipped. Pongal rice is a special sweet dish prepared on this day. Onam. Onam is the main festival of Kerala. It comes in the month of August or September. People decorate their houses with flowers. The elephants are decorated and taken out in big processions. Boat race is the main attraction of Onam. These boats are called snake boats. National festivals. We celebrate 3 national festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. On this day, India got freedom from the British rule in 1947. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi. Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. On this day, a big parade is held at Rajpath near the India Gate in New Delhi. The President of India takes the salute of the parade. Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. People go to the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat and pay homage to him. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of the nation. We also call him Bapu. Keywords: effigy, a statue of a person; pandals, tents. Let us revise. Festivals are the times of fun and joy. We celebrate many religious and national festivals. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. A. Tick right the correct